I've got my new socket from the whole place of China. The whole Chinese socket, 24. I'm going to try my, see if I can get it out. Alright, press is charged up. Let's give this a whirl. Chinese socket, let's see how you do. I need some like WD-40 or so just to leave up the bolt getting caught up in the bushes. I place a bit on. Now I can see, but I just put a crap load of rough stuff in there. Hang on, so I'll show you this stuff. Hopefully that just lubes up the bolt a little bit. All penetrant stuff is just lube. Bolt lubes. So I'm going to try that out. I believe it will work. And I'm going to use 2 different spanners as well to increase the how much I can actually get on it. At the moment I can barely get on it. Right, back in again. Get in there. Let's see, I can't quite get the end part. There you go. That's a Fulcrum pin bolt. You get a bit better lighting and show how it looks. But I can't see any copper grease or anything like that. Anything to say that's been out recently. So yeah, not too intimidating if you use the right technique. I'm now going to show how to change these bushes. They're really easy. They're just like poly bush almost, just two halves. They're not a full bush you got to press in. Pretty straightforward. We'll do that. I'll sort my generator out now. It's shutting itself because both compressors turned on at the same time. Yeah. I was thinking about showing you these shims. On the front, I had. Oh Jesus Christ! On the front, I had these 2 shims. They go just right up where the subframe mounts, right there, the bolt. On the rear, I had another 2 shims. That can be seen now. It's just in the same on the back half. Oh yeah, this is awkward. And here's a new bush down here. Here's what the bushes look like. I think you've seen. Oh, the hell, even worse. Okay, there you go. There are the bushes. Just a little thing. There's the part number. And these bushes are just, I can do it one-handed. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. There you go. Yeah, they just come apart like that. So obviously, if I can do this all one-handed, one take, this is going to be impressive. So I got the thing out. The arm's pulled forward now. So yeah, I can mark it right down here if I really need to. So yeah, just twist it. I can do this one, I can just twist it and pull it out. Hopefully. You're a bit brass and I can't. Come on. It's bloody awkward one hand, I'll tell you that for free. Right, let's put this down quickly. There you go. Yeah, finally got that out. Yeah, pretty, weren't knocking or anything on this side. They're pretty rough. Alright, trying to get the other one out. Put some grease on these and I should whack it all back. Well, I don't know if I can show you whacking all back together. I'll show you the bushes in, and then yeah, that'll probably be it, I guess. We've got the brakes this on the front, and there'll be the rear subframe and all that crap. Just got that bolt in finally. Just got that bolt in finally. If anyone's doing this on the ground without any specialised equipment, prepare for a nice angry time. Trying to get those spaces in there, those shims, is extremely hard. You got to keep winding the bolt in to make sure the bushes are always pushed in, and you just keep on winding, try and manoeuvre it and things like that. But bloody hell, that was hard. I'll tell you that for free. But it's all in there. Next up's just time to do the brakes. Oh yeah, and sort the bolt up as well. 96, 132 I think it was. Yeah, next up do the brakes. And then a massive rear repair, the welding plus diff service, which hasn't got a drain plug stupidly, as far as I know. It might do, but as far as I know it doesn't. As far as I remember, anyway, when I looked at it last. And just all hell at the back, so I'm not looking forward to that, but probably put a video up on that. But yeah, that's my whole ending. Yeah, cheers for watching me struggle with a bolt. Don't know how that could be entertaining, but it could be.